Hello guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how can easily install Eclipse IDE with latest Java JDK in your Windows operating system, okay, and how to run any Java program easily, okay. So let's start it. So first of all you need to open your favorite browser and search for Eclipse IDE, and as you can see you need to visit the first link which is appear here, which is from www.eclipse.org. Just click on it, and once you click on it, it will show you this kind of web page. Whereas you can see at the right side, you can see the download option. Whereas you can see the Eclipse IDE is famous for our Java integrated development environment. So for download this, you need to click on this download option, and after click on it, it will show you this page. At the time making this video, Eclipse IDE 2023-09 is the latest one. Okay, so for download this, you need to click on this download option, and you need to again click on this download. Okay, and as you can see, our download is started, and once our download is complete, here is our Eclipse IDE exe file. Okay, so now you need to double click on it to install it. Then it will show you the installation wizard, where as you can see there are many several options to install the Eclipse IDE. You can install it for Java development, for Java and web development, for C or C++ development, and many more. As you can see, here is the all of the list which you can install for. Okay, so we are going to install the Eclipse IDE for Java development. So we need to click on this option, which is Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Just click on it, and once you click on it, it will show you the installation folder where our Eclipse IDE will be installed. And at the top of the installation folder, you can see the Java folder. If you already installed the Java, it will automatically detect the Java folder. But as you can see, there is no Java folder detect here. That means I don't install the Java previously. Okay. So for download the Java, you need to click on this arrow, and you need to choose here the Java JDR version. At the time making this video, the Java JDK version is 20.0.2, which is the latest one. So if you want, you can download the below of the version. Okay. So I just choose here JRE 20.0.2. Okay. And then just simply click on the install. Once you click on it, it will show you the software user agreement, and for install it you need to accept this user agreement. Okay, just click on the accept now, and as you can see our installation is started, and as you can see our installation is complete. So now how do you need to do, you need to click on the launch option, just click on it. So now it will show you the workspace directory, that means where your Java project will be saved. If you want, you can change it, but I set it as by default, and click on the launch. Okay, and as you can see, this is the interface of Eclipse IDE. After that, it will bring you to this web page where you can donate some of support to the Eclipse community. Okay, if you want, you can do this, but I simply close it now. So this is the welcome page of Eclipse IDE. I just simply close the welcome page from here. So now for create any Java project, as you can see, here is the option to create a Java project, or you can simply go to the file and go to the new, and here is the Java project, you can select here. Okay, so now you need to give a name of your project. I just name it hello world. So after giving the name, you just go to the module and click on this checkbox, because we don't need to create here any Java module. And as you can see, here is our Java 20 version in the JRE section. Okay, and then just simply click on the finish. And as you can see, here is our Java project, which name is hello world. So now we need to create here a Java class to run any code there. Okay, and for creating this Java class, you need to click on this arrow and go to the src, and right click on it and go to the new and choose here class. and then you need to give here your Java class name. I just name it hello, and also click here this checkbox, which is create a public static void main in our Java class. Okay, and then just click on the finish, and as you can see, this is our hello Java class with public static void main. So now we can write here any code. I just simply write here to print hello world, and for print this you need to write here system dot out dot print line, and give here double quotation and write here your hello world message. And for run this code you need to go to this option, which is going to build and run our code. Okay, just click on it. After click on it, it will show you this message, which is save and launch. Here you need to choose here your Java class which you want to be run, and our class is already selected. Just click on the OK, and as you can see, here is the output of this code. This hello world. Okay, so I hopefully guys you properly understand how you can easily install the Eclipse IDE with Java JDK latest version in your Windows operating system, and how to easily run any Java code there. Okay, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you like this type of video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. And I will see you guys in this next one inshallah. Thank you so much.